Hey guys, how's it going? New YouTube video here. There she is. And today we are gonna try another vlog. Kind of different than the last one, but hopefully this one's gonna turn out a little bit better because that was my first time doing it last time. Anyways, so today we're gonna hopefully go to this place with my girlfriend and one of my friends. We're gonna go to this place called 3 Dots and a Dash, so it's like a tiki bar. And it's gonna be my first time going there, so let's see how it is. Also, tomorrow we have something super fun planned. There's a couple things, but you guys can wait to see that. And another eating challenge. So another eating challenge means I'm going to be starving tomorrow. And we are going to this really cool place. Can't say it yet. Keep watching. But anyways, I'll see you guys soon. We're going to 3 Dots. I'm super ready to drink. Because I just need a drink. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to do something revolutionary for me today. I'm going to make a Twitter. I might roast some people, I don't know. Let's create an account. Here we go. Oh, that's not my name. What is it? Yeah, there we go. I just want to let everyone know that this Twitter account is going to be great. I will not post crap memes. This is my profile picture. I look like I shit myself on this. Here we go. We just made a Twitter profile picture. I don't know if this is going to be acceptable just because it's me literally sitting here with a coffee in my hand. Kind of look like a douche, but whatever. This is going to be our profile picture anyways. Alright guys, so we're inside. We didn't make it to 3 Dots and a Dash, but we went to RPM Steak. We got Chris in the house, and then we got our fellow denied person.
Okay.
Their burger is fire. Like, you cannot go... There he is. You cannot go wrong with that fucking burger. Guys, the glasses, they're cold. They literally chilled them. Hey, how much to down this right now?
You won't do it.
First, let me taste it. Dude, it's chocolate.
What? Is this for... Honestly, this is so wild.
We just got back from our little city adventure today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Get ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be a great. So we woke up early and we're here volunteering at the Chicago Marathon.
You know what it is?
I didn't know how long a marathon was until today, but it is long and it is like 45 degrees outside. It's pretty cold, but we're here with my school friends, and then yeah, look at that. We set up all that water. I didn't do. I only did like half of it, a little bit, not much. Guys, set up water station, and here is the fake volunteer, and then there's Teresa. Woohoo! Another volunteer. Alright guys, so we are at the global McDonald's here in Chicago. Told y'all it was gonna be a surprise. So we're gonna see how many McNuggets we can eat. But right now Malia is choosing what she wants. Look at this. There's like Canada, Brazil, is that Argentina, Germany, yeah, Poland. We're about to start. We got 10. We got 10 in one pack, and we got 2, 4, 6. So we got 60 so far. We're gonna start. We use some ranch sauce, and let's party. This is probably the cleanest McDonald's
It is.
that I've ever been to. First one down, we got the 10. We got 10 down, and then we got 50 to go.
Chill.
I'm getting hot just eating by these because they're so warm.
What do you feel right now? Are you full? You think you can eat more?
I definitely can eat more, but I don't want to fucking vomit too. Before I destroy these last 6 is 320 pieces with 1 Big Mac meal that includes a small strawberry smoothie with tax and everything total is $33.86. What a deal for all this. Our last 2. And then I'm going to drink so much water. Probably the amount of water in terms of volume that I ate in McDonald's. That's 60. Alright guys, so we just finished 60 McNuggets. I don't know how I feel, a little bit lightheaded, just need some water. This is my first rodeo. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and continuing with all the support and watching me hog over disgusting amounts of food. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every Monday. And I also feel like crap, so I'm going to sign off. See you guys next week. Peace.